In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Monday.com. If you've ever felt unsure whether the items in your Monday.com board are repeated or you're worried about messy duplicated data, this walkthrough will really help. We're going to use a marketplace app called Duplicates and Uniques that scans your boards and highlights repeated entries so you can clean things up quickly and confidently. First, open Monday.com and make sure you're logged into the account and workspace where you want to manage duplicates. From your main view, look for the Marketplace option. Depending on your layout, this might appear in the left sidebar or under a main menu icon at the top of the screen. Click to open the Marketplace. Think of the Marketplace as an app store specifically for Monday.com, where you can add extra tools to your account. Once the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into that search bar and type the word duplicates. Then press enter or select the search option. This will filter all the available apps so you only see tools that are related to finding or handling duplicate items. From the list of results, look for the app called Duplicates and Uniques. This is the app we'll be using. Click on its name or image to open the full listing page. On this page, you can read more about what the app does, view screenshots, and see how it integrates with your boards. Take a few seconds to skim the description so you understand its main features, especially how it identifies duplicates based on specific columns or fields. When you're ready to add it, look for the Install button on the app's listing page and click on Install App. Monday.com might ask you to confirm which account or workspace you want to install it to. If you manage multiple workspaces, double check that you're choosing the correct one, so the app will be available where you actually need it. After clicking install, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts might include granting the app permission to access certain boards or data, and selecting which boards you want the app to work with. Read each prompt carefully and confirm or adjust the settings as needed. Once you complete those steps, Duplicates and Uniques will be installed and ready to use, so you can start scanning your Monday.com boards for duplicate items and keeping your workspace clean and organized.